Hello students, again I am back with you in the mathematics basic class with the concept, very important concept, that is fraction. Before stating the definition of fraction, I would like to do one or two activities. See here students, this is one square shaped paper. This square shaped paper I just fold into two folds. See here, 1, 2 folds. After folding this paper into two folds, see here, now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. In these 4 parts, if I take one part like this, see, out of 4 parts, I am taking one part out. One part out. See, one part out. That means among 4 parts I have taken one part out. So for this, what I have done, in the whole paper one part is taken out. Fraction means part of a whole. Part of a whole. Fraction means part of a whole. Now, what is the part of a whole here? This was one whole paper. From the whole paper, I have taken a part. So, this is called as part of a whole is fraction. How many parts I have taken out? One part I have taken out of 4 parts. This is 1 by 4. This 1 by 4 is called as a fraction. Is called as a fraction form. Called as a fraction form. In this fraction form, one number is above the bar and another number is below the bar. See here 1 is called as numerator. 1 is called as numerator and 4 is called as denominator. 4 is called as denominator. And this horizontal line is nothing but that is bar. Horizontal line is bar. This is what fraction form. Part of a whole is a fraction, and this is one example. That is one activity I have shown you to clear the concept of fraction. 1 by 4. One part is taken out of 4 parts. So here 1 is called as numerator and 4 is called as denominator, and the horizontal line is a bar. Now still more examples I will take to continue this, my dear students. Now one more activity I will show you. I think you all hope like the chocolates, no? Now see here, in this chocolate there are 8 parts. How many parts are there? There are 8 parts in this chocolate. Now just I will take one part. What it is? Totally how many parts are there? There are 8 parts are there in the chocolates. The total parts you have to write in the denominator. How many parts are there in this chocolate? 8 parts. Now if I take just one part out of this, that is 1 by 8. One part is taken out of 8 parts, that is 1 by 8. If I take 2 parts, that is 2 by 8. 8 is total number of parts present in the chocolate. And then next is 3 by 8. If I take 3 parts out of 8 parts, that is 3 by 8. In the same way, 4 parts if I take, that is 4 by 8. And if I take 5 parts out of 8 parts, that is 5 by 8. So here in this all the fractions, each part is, this part is taken out and this is total number of parts. 2 by 8, 3 by 8. So this is what these all are called as fractions. These all are called as fractions. In this fraction, 1 is numerator, 8 is denominator, 2 is numerator, 8 is denominator, 3 is numerator, 8 is denominator. So like this and so on. 4 and 5 are numerators and 8 is denominator. Yes, my dear students, these all are examples of fractions. 3 by 5, 2 by 5, 4 by 5, 6 by 11. These all are different fractions. Now, which is bigger here? 3 by 5 is bigger, 2 by 7 is bigger, 4 by 5 is bigger or 6 by 11. That means how to compare the fractions here. That is comparison of fractions. Now we will do comparison of fractions. Comparison of fractions. To compare the given two fractions, there are three rules. Suppose, see, first rule, rule 1. Rule 1. 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. You just observe here how the numerators and denominators are here. Here, both the denominators are same, numerators are different. In this, which is bigger and which is smaller? How to compare it? See here, very simple. This is under the rule 1. If the fractions are having same denominator, and if the numerator is greater than the another fraction, then 3 by 5, which is the greater numerator, that will be the greater fraction. Here, among these two, 3 by 5, 2 by 5, here 3 is greater than 2. That means 3 by 5 is greater than 2. So, another example, see here, 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. Both are having the same denominator, but the numerators are different. Among these two numerators, which is bigger here? 3 is bigger. Then which is smaller? 1 is smaller. That means 1 by 4 is smaller than 3 by 4. This is what? Rule 1. In the same way, what is there in the rule 2? We will see. In the rule 2, if the same numerator and different denominators, for example, 3 by 5 only we will take, and here 3 by 7. You just observe these two fractions, how they are here. Numerators are same, denominators are different. And in the rule 1, what we have done? If the greater numerator will be the greater fraction, here the smaller denominator will be the greater fraction. Just opposite of the first one, first rule. Here both the numerators are same. Here denominators are different. In this, which is smaller? 5 is smaller. And which is bigger? 7. Which is smaller? No? That will be the bigger fraction. That means 3 by 5 is greater than 3 by 7. The same way, one more example also we can write here. 2 by 3 and 2 by 5. Now can you say which is bigger here? Here see, both the numerators are same, denominators are different. And which is the biggest one here? This is biggest. Among 3 and 5, 5 is the biggest. So then which is smaller? 3 is the smaller. Automatically 2 by 3 is greater than 2 by 5. This is what? Rule 2. Next, in the rule 3, both are different. For example, 3 by 5 and 7 by 20. See here, both numerators and denominators are completely different. In such cases, how to compare them? We have to compare them by taking LCM. How? By LCM. Already you have learnt in the previous video how to take the LCM of 5 and 20. We have to take the LCM and equalizing them, then we have to find out which is bigger and which is smaller. Yes, my dear students, now you understood the definition of fractions and also the comparison of fractions with 3 rules. Now let me explain you decimal fractions. Decimal fractions. Let me explain you decimal fractions. Decimal fraction is a fraction which has denominator as, let me explain here the decimal fractions. Decimal fractions are like this: 3 by 10, 7 by 100, 2 by 1000, 1 by 10,000. These all are decimal fractions. Decimal fractions are those which are having in its denominators 10 or power of 10. Decimal fractions are those which are having the denominators as 10 or power of 10. See here, this is 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. These all are decimal fractions, and these decimal fractions can be written in the form of decimal system. In the form of decimal system. Decimal system. How to write these all decimal fractions in the decimal system? See, 3 by 10 can be written as 0.3. How we have to write this in the form of 0.3? See here, 3 by 10. 3 by 10 means here in the tens place we have to give the decimal point. Units and tens place we have to give the point. Then 7 by 100. 7 by 100 means here, what is here? 100. In the hundreds place we have to give the decimal point. Here it is units. In its place it is tens, and this is hundreds place we have to give the decimal point. And then in the same way 2 by 1000. How to write 2 by 1000 in decimal system? See here, 2 units, tens, 100, thousands. 0.002. In the same way 1 by 10,000 also. Units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 place there will be decimal point. So here decimal fractions can be written in the form of decimal system like this. Decimal fractions are those which are having in their denominators 10 and powers of 10. Thank you students. For upcoming videos, subscribe my channel.